Hi friends, this is Vijay Nagpal and welcome to Cloud Labs. In today's session, we will talk about AWS cross-account access and we will see how we can delegate access for the users in one AWS account to resources in other AWS account with switching the roles. Let's talk about the benefits first. There are mainly two benefits. One is that you don't need to create individual IAM users in each AWS account. And secondly, users don't have to sign out from one AWS account and sign into another in order to access resources in different AWS accounts. In today's environment, most of the organizations are creating multiple AWS accounts for their departments or as per their project requirement. For our demo purpose, we will be using three AWS accounts: shared, dev, and prod. Shared account, if you see on the left side, we will be using this account only as a gateway account, where we will be managing only the IAM users and we will be using this account for logging purpose. There are two other AWS accounts, Dev and Prod, which are mainly for the application teams. And we have the resources in Dev and Prod. Suppose you are the solution architect and you have to design the solution as per the requirement mentioned here. I have two users in my shared account, Vipin and Deepak. My requirement is that Vipin should have full access to EC2 and S3 in Dev and Prod account. But Deepak should only have access to EC2 and S3 in Dev AWS account with no access to Prod account. We have a gateway account called shared, and this account only will be used to manage the access for the users and for the logging purpose only. I have created two users, Vipin and Deepak, and to simplify the management for both these users, I will create a group. Both of these users are part of apps team group, so I will create a group with the name of apps team. And I will provide the permission as read-only access to this shared account. So I will search only for the read-only access, which will give the read-only access to the whole account. Here you go. And I will add both of these users to this group. Now, since Vipin and Deepak both are part of apps team group and apps team have read-only permissions to this shared account, so they will be able to access every resource in this shared account. Now you remember the requirement. Our requirement is that Vipin and Deepak should have access to apps dev account, whereas only Vipin should have access to apps prod account. Let me show you how we can configure that. So let's log into apps dev. This is my apps dev account. Let's check if I have Vipin or Deepak here. There is no Vipin or Deepak account here, right? So the only way to give access for Deepak and Vipin is via roles. I will create a role. I will select this another AWS account because my users are in shared account. And I am going to create the trust relationship between my shared account and apps dev account. Here I will need to provide the account ID for my shared account. So let's see what is the account ID. This is the account ID. If I have to copy this account ID only, let me open one notepad. I will only select the account ID. I will go back to apps dev account. And here I will mention the account ID. If you want to configure MFA, you can check this box. Else let's move to permissions. Now just try to remember what we discussed in the slides. We mentioned the requirement is that Vipin and Deepak should have full access to EC2 and S3. So we will select EC2 full access and S3 full access. I will keep the tags for now. I will name it as cross account apps dev and we'll get the description. And create role. With creating the role in apps dev account, our work is done. Now let's go to apps prod. This is my apps prod account. Let's see if I have Vipin or Deepak here. There is no Vipin and Deepak. So again, the only way to give access to Vipin and Deepak in this account is via roles. Let's create the role here. We will follow the same steps what we followed in Apps tab. We'll select another AWS account, mention the account ID for shared account where we have the users. I will select the permission EC2 full access and S3 full access. We'll give the name as cross account apps prod. Give the description. And create the role. So I have configured the same permissions in apps tab and apps prod. But our requirement was that only Vipin should have access to apps tab and apps prod to the EC2 and S3 full access. But Deepak should not have access to the apps prod. I will show you how we can configure that. But before we try to log in with Vipin or Deepak, let's go back to our shared account. One thing we forgot to configure here is that because Vipin and Deepak need to assume the roles in different AWS accounts, so we need to give them the permissions to assume the role in this shared account first. When a user wants to assume the roles, there is a service runs in the backend called STS, Secure Token Service. So we will need to create a policy and we'll need to attach that policy for those users. Go ahead and create a policy. We will select the service called STS. And let's see what all actions we need to access. We will give it as all STS actions. And the resources, we will give it all resources. And review policy. We will name the policy as assume role. And create policy. Now I have created the assume role policy, but I have not attached to any of the users. So rather attaching this policy to individual users, I will attach this policy to the groups which we have created for Vipin and Deepak. Here I will attach the policy. We created the policy with assume roles. Here you can see I have attached both the policies. So now whosoever will be part of this group, that user will have the assume role policy. Now we have created the role successfully. Now the user has been created in shared account and access has been provided into the apps dev and apps prod account with creating the roles. So let's go ahead and test the access now for the users. I will log out from the admin here and I will log in to my shared account with Vipin first. I need to provide the account ID for the shared account. Let's log in with Vipin first. Because Vipin has read-only access to this shared account, so he should be able to view everything. Let's see the IAM. He is able to access the IAM roles. And now let's go to S3. He can see all the buckets. If I try to create a bucket for Vipin, he should get the access denied error because he has only read-only access to this account. Right? I will cancel it for now. Our purpose was to give the access to Vipin in the apps dev and apps prod account. One way he can access this apps dev account is that we can give him the link. The other way is, while he is already logged into shared account, he can switch the role from here. he need to provide the account ID where he need to have access. I will provide the account ID for AppsDev account. So let's see what is the AppsDev account ID. This is the account ID for AppsDev. I will copy it and I will paste it in the notepad. I will select only the ID. Here we need to provide the role name. It should be same as what we have created in the AppsDev account. We had created cross account AppsDev. I will name it as AppsDev and roles. Now Vipin has switched the role to AppsDev. We have given full access to EC2 and S3 for the Vipin in this AppsDev account. So let's try to see if we can create the bucket in this account. I will create a bucket, Vipin first bucket. And there is no access denied error because he has full access to S3. Also, let's go and see if he has access to EC2 instance. Right, so he has access to launch instance as well. He is not getting any access denied error. This error is something different, right? So he can create the EC2 instance as well. Right, he has only access to EC2 and S3. Let's try if Vipin is able to access IAM role. He should get the access denied error. You can see on the screen, right? So this works. Let's check the access for Vipin in AppsProd account. So here I will switch the role and I will provide the account ID for AppsProd account. This is my AppsProd account and this is the account ID. I will copy this and I will provide this ID. Here I need to provide the role name which we created in AppsProd account. I will give the display name as AppsProd. Select any color and switch role. Right, because Vipin has only S3 and EC2 full access, so he should not be able to access the IAM role here. That is why he is getting the error here. Let's see if he is able to create the bucket in this account. You might be wondering why we are not able to see all the buckets which we recently created, right? So just keep in mind we created all those buckets in AppsDev account. Now Vipin is logged into AppsProd with switching the roles, right? So let's see if Vipin is able to create the bucket here. So Vipin is able to create the bucket and he should be able to create the EC2 instance as well. I will select the Linux. So Vipin is able to launch the instance as well. So this works for Vipin in AppsDev and AppsProd both accounts. Now let's check the access for Deepak. I will log out Vipin. And will log into shared account with Deepak account. I will log in as Deepak. Deepak has read-only access to the shared account, so he should be able to see the IAM roles, right? Users and roles, and he should be able to check the S3 buckets as well. Now let's quickly check the access for Deepak in Apps tab account. So he can also switch the role. Let's give the Apps tab account ID. I will name it as cross account apps dev. This is the same role name which we created in Apps tab account, and this information it's getting from the cache. I will switch the roles. So Deepak is able to see all the buckets. And now let's see if he is able to create the bucket. And he is able to create the bucket. Let's check the access for Deepak on EC2 instance. Let's try to launch an instance. We will select Red Hat. We will go with default configuration and launch. So Deepak has access to EC2 as well. Now let's check the access for Deepak in Apps Prod account. So we will switch the role for Apps Prod. We will provide the account ID for Apps Prod. And we need to mention the role name. Display name would be Apps Prod. We'll select the color and select roles. Let's check the access for Deepak in Apps Prod. So first, let's check the access for S3. We will try to delete the bucket which was created by Vipin. You have not given the correct name. Okay, we missed 10. So the bucket has been deleted, which means Deepak has access to S3 as well. Let's check the access for EC2. Launch the instance. Go with default configuration. He is able to launch the instance in Apps Prod account. So now Vipin and Deepak both have full access to EC2 instance and S3 in App Dev and Apps Prod account. There seems to be something wrong, right? Because our requirement was Deepak should not be able to access anything in the Apps Prod account. But here we have seen that Deepak is able to create S3 bucket as well as he is able to delete, and also he can create the EC2 instance as well. Let's see what we have done wrong, right? Let's go back to our AWS Prod account. This is my AWS Prod account. Let's check the role and see what kind of trust relationship we have created. I will go to roles, go to trust relationship. Here, if you can see, I have mentioned the account name, which means this is widely open. Any user having the assume role with the access to Apps Prod account can access the resources. But our requirement is that only Vipin should have access to Apps Prod account. So we need to modify this trust relationship. You see this ARN, the trust which we have created the trust with the full account. Here we need to restrict the access only for the Vipin. So we need to provide the ARN for Vipin only. Let's see what is the ARN for Vipin. We can go to shared account and go to IAM. Go to users. Oh, I'm logged in with Deepak and I don't have permission to IAM. So I will need to log in as a root user. Let me log in with the root user in my shared account. Go to IAM. Here you can see the ARN for Vipin. I will copy this ARN. I will go back to Apps Prod account and I will replace ARN to Vipin and update trust policy. Now I have restricted the access for AWS Prod account only for the user Vipin. Let's see if Deepak is able to switch the roles. I will log out from here as admin and I will log into this shared account with Deepak ID. This is my account ID. I will log in as Deepak. And let's try to switch the role for apps dev. He is in apps dev account now. You can see from here. And now let's try to switch the role for Deepak as apps prod. Here he should get the error. Right. Because we have restricted the access for apps prod only for Vipin. So now Deepak is not able to log into apps prod account. So that's it for today. In the next video, I will show you how we can switch the roles for the federated users for different AWS accounts.